Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are covering the nice stuff. We are continuing the nice stuff we are doing. That is Java development from basics to advanced concepts. So, okay, we don't want this. I last class itself I told how to create your own projects in Java. So hope you are familiar with that. Go to this, click on this new and just projects. You know how to create it, right? If you have any doubts in creating Java projects, try to checking out our previous video. So in our project, there will be something called SRC. That is the source file where we need to write our Java programs. There, I already told, source file gets converted to byte file by the help of compiler. So write our programs in the source. Click on this, right click, select this new, and go to this Java class. So I'm going to give it as a demo. See, it's how it is saved. It's saved as demo.java. All Java files will be saved with the name demo.java. So our class should be in the same name as demo. If I change it to demo, it will be an error because our file name is demo. So we need to keep it as demo only. Public means it's visible all over to every space. Everything in the program, it will be visible completely. So another thing we want to execute is C and C++ developers might know. Program execution starts from main function only. So we need to have our main function over here too. Public static void main string args. Okay, don't worry about what this static means. Public means I already told, it's visible entirely to everyone. There are three access specifiers: public, private, protected. So wait a minute. Okay, it's recording. Okay, public means it's visible to everywhere. If you keep it private, it's visible only to this block. Consider one thing, it is the first thing that's going to execute, then it's restricted to this particular block means, then what's the purpose of keeping it? So always keep your main function public because you need main function to execute all your program. So it must be visible to all over your program. So keep it public. Void means it's of empty return type, it's not going to return anything. Don't worry about what is the return thing and return value and return type stuff. So we'll be covering them in functions lectures which is coming very quickly. So string arguments, we are passing it as the parameters. String means that all our outputs are in the format of strings. String means a group of characters. If A, B, C, they are single characters. Group of characters like hello, Ajeem's thoughts, all comes under the data type strings. So how to print our first program? System.out.println. Welcome to Ajeem's thoughts. Oh, sorry. You need to end your all executable statements with a semicolon. Okay. So if I print, you could run this, or just right click and go run this, or just shift and press F10 to run it. You could see welcome to Ajeem's thoughts. This is how you print. Oh, okay, it's recording. So system.out.println means that it will print this line and you can see one vacant line. What means this will print? After printing this, the cursor will go to the next line. So that is why we use system.out.println. I could also see IntelliJ IDEA provides us a special shortcut. You type SOUT and click enter. You will get this. Say hello coders. You could see welcome to Ajim's thoughts is in the first line and hello coders is in the second line. If I remove this ln, see what's happening. Welcome to Ajim's thoughts, hello coders. All comes in the same line itself. So use them accordingly. Print function is just simply printing it. This is we calling our system dot means we use it's a member operator. So we use dot to act as classes. So dot out means output stream, in means input stream. We are printing it in the output panel. So we are calling the output stream. Dot we are calling the inbuilt function that the Java developers itself developed and given for us to make our lives easier. So dot print. and we use double quotes to give strings. Welcome to Ajeem's thought. Println means it will print that and move to the next line. So that's why you use println. So be clear with one thing when to use which kind of print statement. And another one is you could just say south printf. C developers would be very much familiar with this. We use format specifiers. Hello all. Here S is the format specifier of string. If you are a C developer, you would have no yes D C for characters, D for integers. So we use this printf statement when we want to do pretty printing. That you are printing certain things, you don't know what text is going to become there. So you will just put model yes and just move on and add it over there. So that's where you use this printf statements. So try to familiarize with lot of things, try to create lot of patterns. You could just print star, so, star. So I created a pattern like this. Okay. You need to have another. So if I give empty means nothing would be printed, just a new line statement will be executed. So we also use this or this. Both of them do the same job for a backward slash and it just creates a new line for us. So that's it for this video. Try to use the printf, println, and print statements as much as you could. Try to execute lot of things. Try to print a lot of patterns like this LB have printed, so that you would be familiarized with this topics. So why we use println, why we use print, why we use printf statements. So okay, that's all from this video. We'll be covering data types and stuffs in the next video. So stay tuned. Try to practice as much as println, printf, and print statements. So be clear why we are using print, why we are using println, and why we are using printf. I've already told system calls this output stream by a dot operator and it calls the println statements. Okay, if you want to see the inbuilt implementation, just control B. It's the print stream. I already told, right? This is very much useful when you are learning. So you could see what are doing. Even though you might not understand it now, in future when we are doing advanced data structures and algorithms, it would be handy. So control select that and control B. You could see the internal implementation. So that's all for this video. Share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will reply. So thank you for watching.